Hello, baby. Mm-hmm. I miss you. Mwah. Come here. Mwah. Yeah. I mean, pwede naman tayong kumain sa labas, babe. Pero you know what? Napag-isip-isip ko, how about magluto tayo? Yeah, for dinner. What do you want ba? I mean, gusto mo ba ng pasta or like adobo? You tell me. I can prepare the ingredients. Yes, babe. I mean, mas okay magluto dito sa loob, 'di ba? It's more convenient and like bonding na din sa isa't isa since we're like kinda tagilid lately. Yeah, tagilid. Mhm. Yeah, sure. Mhm, go baby. You can sleep. I-prepare ko lang yung ingredients. Okay. Okay, baby. Sleep well. Baby. Baby, are you still sleeping? Na-prepare ko na yung mga ingredients. Tara na, let's go! Baby. Mahal. Let's go. Anong oras na oh? It's almost 6. Di pa tayo nakapagsaing. Yeah, all the ingredients are ready na sila. Nag-aantay na lang maluto. You're still sleepy? Oh, my baby. Urong ka nga. Urong. Ba't ka antok? I mean, you've been sleeping, babe. Di naman tayo nagpuyat kagabi, di ba? Okay. Aw, look at you. Napakasipag mo kasi. Ayan tuloy. Aw, that's okay. You can sleep more. I mean, gigisingin na lang kita mamayang 6:30. It's okay, baby. Ako na lang magluluto. Next time na lang tayo mag-cooking show. Aw, it's sad. I'm expecting na, makakapagluto tayo together tonight. It's okay, baby. You can go back to sleep. Aw. You want me here? Paano ako makakapagluto? Baby, oh, you're so cute. Come here. Mwah. Talaga ba? Bibigyan kita ng maraming kiss, gigising ka na. I doubt that. You look so tired. It's okay. I can cook. Gisingin na lang kita kapag luto na, okay? Okay. Sleep well. Oh my God. Ang bango-bango. Tulog pa kaya siya? Aw. Okay lang, pagod yun. He's been working so hard para sa amin dalawa. Talagang na-appreciate ko siya. Rare na lang talaga mga ganyang lalaki nowadays. Oh my gosh. Gisingin ko na kaya. Okay. Baby. Tulog ka pa din? Hey. Hey, baby. Shh. Yeah, it's me. It's almost, done. Let's go. Let's eat. Aw. You're still sleepy? Oh, my love. Look at you. You're so cute. Okay. Yeah, we can hug for like 5 more minutes. Of course. I can't say no to my baby. What wrong? Ah, you're so cozy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Nagluto ako ng adobo. Your favorite. Oh. Yes, baby. No worries. Nakapagsaing na ako, nakapagluto na. Ikaw na lang yung kulang. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure. Aw. Okay, let's hug, let's hug. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Thank you, baby. Aw. Sorry. Mm-hmm. So, how's work? Di mo naman pinapagod yung sarili mo, di ba? Okay, good. I mean, you don't have to work really hard, babe. Just take it easy, okay? Mm-hmm. Yes, of course. Oh, napakasipag kasi. Yeah, sure. I mean, it's Friday night. Pwede tayong mag-watch ng movies tomorrow if you want. We can also like go out to eat. What else? We can watch movies. Horror movies? Yeah, it sounds good. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure, baby. Anything you like. Mean, gotta spoil you. Spoil kita kasi ang sipag-sipag ng baby ko. Yeah. Aww. Okay, baby. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can also like shower together. That would be nice. I mean, we can shower together later kapag tapos na tayong kumain, okay? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Gonna scrub your back. Scrubby dubby. Wash your hair. Brush your teeth. No, I don't mind. Kikis ko pa yan eh. With toothpaste, of course. That's the best part, you know. Ew, it's not disgusting, babe. Come on. Aww. Okay. Huwag mo lang talagang pagurin yung sarili mo, okay? Mm-hmm. Yes, baby. I mean, you can just like take it easy, you know? Di naman kailangan perfect lahat. Of course, my love. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's okay, baby. Pwede ka naman magpahinga sa akin, alam mo naman yan. Mm-hmm. You know, kapag pagod ka sa work, or like, masyadong maraming ginagawa, just don't forget to take a break and come home to me. Of course, andito lang ako. Mm-hmm. Umuwi ka sa akin. I am always here. Mm-hmm. Anything for my baby. Aww. Okay. Yeah, sure. Oh, gusto mo subuan kita later? Pag-iisipan ko. I mean, di naman pwedeng ikaw lang. Di naman gaanong mahirap yung kapalit na gusto ko. Gusto ko lang naman ng isang malaking kiss from you. Yeah, of course. Come here. That's so good. Baby, are you sure hindi ka pa, like, hungry? I mean, yeah, pwede naman nating i-reheat yun. But, like, sayang naman. Let's go. Naset up ko na yung movies and, like, table. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Baby, pumangon ka na. Baby. Isa. Mwah. Dali na. Para after eating, we can shower together. Yeah, sure. Okay, baby. Mauna ka na, ililigpit ko lang higaan mo. Sige na, ako na. Ayoko kasing may makalat. Para we can, like, diretso na matulog later. Yeah, go. Antayin mo ko, okay? Okay, baby.